How to hide likes of Instagram Reels. Hey guys, in today's video I'll share with you step by step on how to hide likes on your Instagram Reels. So after you open up your phone like this, now go ahead and tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile, now tap on this reel section. So now I want to hide likes under this. As you can see now, this Instagram Reel, this one. So open it. So as you can see now, currently as you can see now, this video has 2 likes. As you can see now, if you want to hide the likes that this video got on Instagram, tap on this. As you can see now, tap on this 3 dot. Now tap on this manage. Under manage, now tap on this. As you can see now, hide like count to others. This one, hide like count to others. So now I hide the likes as you can see now of this video. So now if I tap on my profile again, so now I'll switch to my other account and show you how it works. So tap on this section, and now I'll switch to my second account and show you how it works. So if I come to my second account, I'll tap on this search button and search for the account that I hide likes on it, Instagram Reels. So here is the account now. So now if I scroll now to down, I'll just go ahead now and open the Instagram Reel that I had its likes. Here is the Instagram Reel. After I open it like this now, so as you can see now, here is now the Instagram Reel. Now it's not showing, as you can see now, it's not showing likes. It just show like, it just hide the likes count of this Instagram Reel. But before it has 2 likes, but now you cannot be able to see the number of like, but you can see those likes. That's it guys on how to hide likes of Instagram Reel. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.